So the Edifier QS30 is pretty funny soundbar for laptop or PC. Yes, it is not a very loud soundbar and it also not has a lot of functionalities, also not with the app necessarily. But I do think this design looks pretty cool. It has a bit of that QR65 vibes with this like 3D light show and really being very cool transparent speaker. But yeah, there are two downsides about this soundbar. First off, it is USB powered, so this means it doesn't have a lot of power output, and also it has no like battery backup or let's just say other way to power it. And the second thing I didn't like that much about it is of course the audio. It's not necessarily bad audio, definitely not, but it's just not powerful enough for me to say it is great for gaming experience or movie watching. It is an okay sound for, let's just say, some video editing, some like playback, some videos on YouTube, but it is definitely not a soundbar for, let's just say, very much sound experience. But you know what? Let's just do a few audio samples and also a few like demos with all the videos of this channel, so you can see a bit how this soundbar performs. So let's get into it.
Get it out of my head.
Not at all. Washing out the gray with all the good vibes, good vibes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we ready right now. Got me feeling so fine.